So today's topic is be going to. Be going to. Why we use be going to? We use be going to talk about intentions or things that we plan to do. So if you have a plan to do something in the future, so you are using from be going to. Or if you have an intention, if you have intention to do, then you're going to use from be going to. We use be going to plus verb. For example, I am going to go school tomorrow. So it's my intention, it's my plan for tomorrow, and I use be going to. So the word be is usually split into A's, M, and R, or divided into A's, M, R. Like I am, then I use going to. I am going to, then I'm using a verb, go. I'm going to go. So the verb can be anything, okay? You can change the verb. It's not possible, it's not necessary that you have to use the word go, okay? So listen, I am going to. So going to is an expression or helping verb. It's a kind of helping verb, okay? So just you're using a verb with your helping verb. I am going to go to school tomorrow. So it's my plan for tomorrow. Or she is going to call me tomorrow. Or we are going to have class at 3 o'clock next week. So next week is something that I plan to do, so it's my intention, so I'm doing that, so that's why I'm using be going to. So next example, I am going to sell this house next year. Or our another example is we are using they are going to invite me for dinner tonight. So these are the sentence, okay? Okay, now let's see how we can change the sentence into question. First, positive sentence. I am going to call you. I am going to call you tonight. I am going to call you tonight. Am I going to call you tonight? We bring am at the beginning of the sentence to make question. Am I going to call you tomorrow? Or am I going to call you tonight? Yes, you are going to call me tonight. So how we can change a negative sentence? The negative sentence, we have to insert a not in our sentence. I am not going to call you tonight. I am not going to call you tonight. So let's see some examples. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some question with be going to. You have to answer me, right? Okay, let's start. What are you going to do after the class? What are you going to do after the class? Well, let me give you one answer. I am going to call my girlfriend after the class. I am going to call. So after going to, I use the call word call, which is a verb. I am going to call. So next example is, where are you going to go on your next vacation? You answer. Or what are you going to do this weekend? How are you going to improve your English or your life in the next 3 years? Where are you going to eat dinner tonight? Or when are you going to retire? When are you going to retire? So these sentences or these questions were only for you. You answer and try it. But if you have got any question, any problem, just put comment and I will answer that, okay? So thank you very much. See you in my next video.